In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's perspective on SXP future while examining swipe cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to, in every practical sense, think about this and any truly other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, entirely alone foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like swipe. Presently, we should head into it, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before we dive profound into the swipe value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that SXP fundamentally is a by and large wise speculation or not, for what reason will SXP succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will swipe value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is SXP and its to-date history. SXP value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world by and large is on an edge of an undeniable generally bear market, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin has most certainly drooped half from its untouched in every practical sense, high in the midst of the more extensive market fundamentally drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in a significant manner. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors in an especially significant manner. Crypto, in a real sense, is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction incredibly. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in every practical sense, second piece of the year, which generally is very huge. This basically is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to basically find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will, in every way that really matters, begin to do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many truly times in the removed and by and large later history. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the extremely next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We truly expect whales and other kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, which is very huge. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we really assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical extremely potential, and a few most certainly other especially exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Swipe value forecast 2022. Most of specialists especially concur that this generally bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, or so they thought. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner in a kind of enormous way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 October, which generally is very huge. Minus 12.76% $0. 3016-2022 November, or so they most certainly thought. Minus 34.74% $0. 2256-2022 December in an unobtrusive manner. Minus 21.98% $0. 2697-2023 January minus 17.44% $0. 2854-2023 February minus 4.97% $0. 3285-2023 Blemish. Minus 4.59% $0. 3298-2023 April plus 2.36% $0. 3539-2023 May in a very significant manner. Plus 11.78% $0. 3864-2023 June plus 24.32% $0. 4298-2023 July amazingly. Plus 34.92% $0. 4664-2023 August, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. plus 45.32%. $0. 5024, 2023 September, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Plus 47.00%. $0.5082. SXP value expectation 2025, which truly is very huge. Our expectation model sees SXP coming to $0.8297 in 2025. What will SXP basically be worth in 5 years in a quite enormous way? The cost of SXP in 5 years could generally lie around $0.7775. Swipe coin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Swipe will commonly be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Swipe coming to $2.07 in 2030. What Swipe will be really worth in 2040, which is very critical. Our anticipating model sees Swipe coming to $4.15 in 2040. Will Swipe supplant, truly outperform, explicitly surpass Bitcoin, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking? No, Swipe won't by and large supplant or really surpass BTC in an unobtrusive manner. Can Swipe really reach $10 in an unpretentious manner? Indeed, Swipe could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Can Swipe reach $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Swipe to truly reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period in an unobtrusive manner. Is Swipe worth purchasing, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? We are promoters of decently unsafe financial planning. Explicitly put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of in every way that really matters, enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain, or so they especially thought. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Swipe really merits purchasing, or so they truly thought. Is Swipe a wise venture? Swipe is, very much like all essentially other digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It really does have in every practical sense, higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, most certainly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How all things considered, much will Swipe be worth, which in a real sense is very critical. For the transient future, it could reach $0.2012 in a kind of enormous manner. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $2.07 or even kind of higher. For what reason will Swipe succeed and get more expensive? Swipe has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic.